Hello, my name is Michelle Goebel. I am in the LPN to BSN program here at Presentation College. I am currently working as an LPN in an assisted living facility in St. Paul. I grew up in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and I am currently living in Coon Rapids, which is 20 minutes north of Minneapolis. My husband and I have one child who is 3. He takes up almost all of my free time. And when I'm not with him, I'm usually working on schoolwork or I'm at work. I don't have a whole lot of hobbies outside of normal life. I really enjoy camping in the spring and the summertime, which is what my family and I do most in the warmer months. I'm not a fan of winter, and I try to stay inside and stay as warm as possible during these freezing times. I'm really looking forward to becoming more comfortable seeing myself on film, and look forward to getting better at public speaking. I do very well with writing. Have never had a problem putting my ideas down on paper but when it comes to speaking them, I seem to forget everything that I meant to say. So with that being said, I look forward to meeting the rest of you and going on this journey together, and hopefully successfully completing this course along with the rest of the courses that I have to finish before completing my BSN. Good luck to you all, and I will see you soon.